One of the most frequent questions I get regarding selling digital products, that is how I can get paid my money. How make my customers, my own clients, my own target audience pay and give me the money. For sure, we can split this video to different parts. The first part regarding the available ways how you can actually make your customers pay and get your digital product. And the second part, the most popular platforms that support these different ways. So let's actually start with the first part here, the most popular and the most common ways to get paid and make your people and your target audience check out. So the first one for sure depends on your own categorization. If you just target your own audience in your own country, for sure your country has many of these regional ways. So it's easy for you to make your audience give you money and get your digital product based on your payment method, local payment method. Okay, it could be like a local wallet or a bank and something like that. And the second part, if you just target the international and globally, here you've got to just look at different ways. The first way for sure, the most common one, that is the PayPal, the leader of the payment methods for all people. Here you can make your PayPal account if your country support it, and link your PayPal account with two different payout methods, either bank account or a debit card. Here we are talking now for the countries in which the PayPal is allowed. So here you can link your PayPal account with two different payout methods. Bank account, your local bank account, or a debit card. And here for sure there are a third way. That is, you can link your PayPal account with a Payoneer account. Yes, you heard that right. You can actually link a PayPal account with Payoneer. And for sure it's just a complex method here, and just takes a lot of time here to make this connection happens. So just get and give you this detailed pathway how you can link Payoneer with PayPal account in the link, the first comment and description box. So here there are three different ways to withdraw your money from PayPal. Okay, credit card, bank account, and Payoneer. And the second method here, for sure, just to buy credit card. Of course, it's actually it's allowed in different countries that support Stripe account. And the third way for sure just by going to Payoneer. Yes, for sure Payoneer it's enjoys with different ways here to withdraw your money. And of course it's most and worldwide allowed in different countries, so you can get your earnings on this electronic bank and withdraw your money in two different ways. Your bank account, here you can just link your own Payoneer account and your earnings, it could be in euros, on dollar and so on, to your bank account. Okay, and for sure you can link your Payoneer with PayPal. But here in Payoneer also you can make it as a checkout button, so you can make your audience and your customers globally send you money directly to your Payoneer wallet just by sending them what says Payoneer checkout link. And of course that needs firstly that make just a communication between you and your target audience and your clients to contact with you, like via emails, via Instagram, via WhatsApp or Telegram applications, to get the username and the username of your audience or your client, and the email of them and his email, so you can send a unique link for this specific client. That's way you can deal with Payoneer in this method here as a checkout button or checkout link. Okay, that needs, as I said earlier, prior communication with you and your own client and your target audience. For sure here just say for you, I just tell you, believe in yourself, believe in your digital products here. So if your audience want your digital product here that deserves their money, for sure they would reach you and accept any way you can that enables them to get your own digital products. So here you can actually take a Payoneer as your own bank account and a checkout link. And the third method for sure just by going to the cryptocurrency or making your virtual wallet in different cryptocurrency applications like Binance. And here on Binance, you can withdraw your money in different currencies depending on your region and your country. So here you can go to something like peer-to-peer or P2P trading, where you can just trade your own cryptocurrency for your local currency. Okay, so you can convert this the USD currency to your local currency. It could be like dollars, the euros, Egyptian pounds, sterling pounds, and so on. So that says the crypto trading. Okay, so if you're just in your country, PayPal is not allowed and Payoneer is not allowed, so you can just go directly to the cryptocurrency applications or the Binance application. For sure, just leave its link down below the first comment and description box. Okay, and here we can go together to the second part of my video, the all popular platforms here and which of these ways they support. The first one for sure is by going to Creative Fabrica, and here Creative Fabrica, it's a well-known platform to sell your own digital items, and you can get your own money in different ways, either via PayPal or bank transfer or Payoneer accounts. So if you have PayPal, it's okay. If you have bank transfer, bank account, it's okay. And even if you have a Payoneer account. And if you have an Etsy store here it just accepts to get your own money via Payoneer account. Okay, so you can sell your own digital items. Apart from using a PayPal and so on, just you can get your money and withdraw your money from Etsy store to Payoneer. And here you can move on to Gumroad.com. Here you can link your Gumroad account two different ways, the PayPal and your bank account. PayPal and your bank account. For sure here, bank account doesn't mean also you can just connect your Gumroad with local bank, but also you can actually connect your Payoneer account or the bank information that you have on your Payoneer account with this Gumroad account. Okay, and the next one, if just use a WordPress website, for sure you can use WooCommerce. And here WooCommerce you can take it as a magician stick. Here you can get your money from different audiences worldwide. So WooCommerce, you can accept different ways like credit cards via Amazon Pay, Apple Pay, from PayPal and so on. Okay, that's it. And even you can connect your Binance wallet here also with this WooCommerce. And for sure, we can go to something like the most professional one and advanced platforms like the LemonSqueeze.com. It's most common between the seller of digital items and AI SaaS tools. LemonSqueeze.com, here you can get your money via bank account. It could be from Payoneer account and from or your local bank account and PayPal account. And likewise here on this website, Badel.com, it's like the previous website. Here you can get your own money in just bank transfer or wire transfer. And even if you don't go, if you go to the Ko-fi.com, you can actually link your account on Ko-fi, where you can sell your own digital items just with PayPal or your credit card or Stripe account. Just to go and proceed to sell your own digital items and get your money as you want in different ways as you see. And for sure, to leave down below in the first comment and description box an easier way and simple way that guide you. If you have something, you just go to these options. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.